Ibaye kenemu no biko IG ezigbo ozi wee bịa n'ụbọchị nke tata. Mana tupu m kwuo anything biko subscribe na page m, subscribe now, subscribe on omanlige ego, omanlige data, or just click that subscription button, then like ya, comment on your notification. So ihe iji maka wee bịa n'ụbọchị nke tata bụ gbasalụ Ogechi Okeke njaka ihe Jpac ji mpịa wee kọọ. Then Ogechukwu now reply him a lot of secrets that she has been opening since. Ịghọta ịmana mmadụ ga-anọrọ ọrịa mmadụ agachọrọ ya okwu. Jpac achọtago this woman okwu now. Now Ogechukwu now decided to open up all the secrets behind Jpac and Ifayoba, and not only about the thing, a lot, but I don't have much to say, because get in coma, we chant again coma na video and cheap legi ngwa nene ya bu video.
Hello everyone. Ogaha Karake Ruola. Please, I would like you to join me. Put your share button on. Bring your followers, bring your friends and family. Bring Jigi. I can see that my admin, one of my admin, deleted the list of people that contributed money for Jpac. Because I did not delete it. I woke up, I saw that the post is no longer there. Please tag Jpac and the Ashawo one, yeah? And also tag my Nnewi people, where I came from, my blood lineage. For those of you that don't know, I am from Osumeni, and I'm married to Dr. Gochukwu from Idiato North. So for those of you that are thinking whether Ogechi is from Owerri, whether Ogechi is from whatever, as the Saga people they talk, they say I did my wedding na Owerri. Aro. Wani analwala na me wedding na be traditional wedding na me na be na if any wugene oku Saga. But that one is not a big deal. You understand? Because Tiri Maka na share button. Bring your friends and well-wishers. Bring your loved ones. Sorry. Bring your friends and well-wishers. Bring your loved ones. Bring the haters. Bring everyone. But one thing I will not tolerate. If you want to watch this program in peace. If you want to watch this program in peace. Do not insult me. You can do your constructive arguments or your constructive statement per se. But do not call me a shower because I go fire your mama. I don't have boundary when you insult my person. Because then when I move my eyes, even if they are outside, you will get away. So what I would like you to do, if you have not been sharing my program, let today be the hottest day. You put your share button now, share. We have a lot to say. You know that in Jpac in about someone gonna go kebo you want to go? So because Tiri Maka na share button, invite you in because Ashim Okwa Eyiri and I hear you one boro. You want to go? Okwa Eyiri and I hear you one boro. You go more part today. So I will let you all of tag my Nnewi people. My Igwe Nnewi Bang Igwe Brigo. Tag him. Tag even Cubana chief priest. They said that contacted them on my behalf. Tag Cubana chief priest. Tag all if I am Emeka for. They said that they think they will Emeka for Nante. Tag every soul that you know that tag them here. You want to go? I want for Newi South for that matter. Or so many precisely. And I'm a any man or woman got patanes away so die only hona hide, right? And when him boo, and when him nakwa, and that is why I stand upright to tell you where I come from. I may be speaking a different dialect, which is applicable to a lot of us. Eba Zoroge and where you grew up and pass and parcel. So is common and is normal. So because Tiri Maka na share button now, and you tag Jpac for me. Please, my admin, anything I post about Jpac, of course, the mother course, but one course come ne picky that delay me. Ashima, hell to the no. Mwa barahashi, hell to the effing no. Namagala pu Jpac. You want to go? Share them this video. I will not leave Jpac. reasons come get big runia all to today. Agamara pu Jpac. You on all the sympathy cry. Please take it easy. Oh, ne we batara no mo. Onye ne we jemego. Please, nobody should send me requests. I don't pick requests when I'm in saga. I don't pick anybody to contribute for me. If you keep sending me requests, I'll block you. And I'm gonna add the people. Haven't you noticed that I'm a Tiga phone call? And I'm a Tiga call. Because I'm an energy saga. I can saga 48, even all the years of my life. That is nothing. Weapon. So when I do saga, I know they like calls. But people keep on keep on contribute. And I'm like here. And I'm liking on the move. Urogaba. You want to go? And I'm liking on the move. And the all I'm name matter that. And I may make it like amo. I prefer to have a lot of enemies. I keep saying it. I prefer to have a lot of enemies than to have people that pretends that they like me, then I cannot be able to spit out my truths. You must not like me. I'm here for you to like me. I'm here to stand upright. You want to go? So anybody, all this sympathy card that anyway, share the video. I have many things to bring in. Share the video because I'm not here BT Epele. Ebila Gamande Waton. Today, Ebila Gamande Waton. Jpac, this is just a preamble of what the damage I will do to your head. You want to go? Nobody, even if you call the whole bloggers, no Jupiter will make me leave you. Go as I get all the whole Newi. I'm from in Newi, they can call me, I will answer them. Let all of them, if they call me, they have. Say my God, I'm in Newi. No blood is in me. If you never need to talk to me, let them come and talk to me. I am not afraid to answer them. They are my people. But anything that has to do with you, Jpac, in the name of this hanky-panky play, in the saga, then I console you. Okay, channel, I know they hear you. Let saga people console your stupidity. In the saga people, I want a lot to say, oh, God, Ashim Gisharam program. Tag your friend, tag in there, even my greatest enemy, Ghana, their platform, got to run her. You want to go? I'm on the video, man. Everybody, they go viral. Everybody, okay, because I show you my case, she to him. That shabu be like a baby. Or Jpac in a very sympathy card. If you have anyway, hold on, and they come. Now share them video. Yeah, don't just respect yourself now. Hold on. I don't want this distraction. Just when you know we Google now. Don't distract me. Now share the video. Jpac iga no. Abrang na aga be weta data. Ebe wan ge barakuna. Aga menyeki data where your wife prostituted and you knew it. Ebe wan ge no ba akuna na Abuja. I'm going to get all this consoling word of one day. I'm going to hand on a saga for years. For years. You want to go? All these people, I'm going to hand on a saga for years. They picture my father to be sagaring me. And then I console. Oh, it's okay. Ogechi is a criminal. Ogechi killed us. Ogechi is a murderer. Ogechi acted like you. All those saga pete cleaning of tears. Ogechi no day. If I don't see result in what I'm doing, I will never let go. You should know me by now. That's not shadow. Come, patoga kebe ya like here. If on your Gia Bru Batan. If I could in a picture my daddy, Jenna Bamu. You make my daddy's body as a saga material. You made him as a saga material, right? Aga me both your wedding, both ungawani give bina wapuna. Both unyankundanawani ga kuhumbo a saga material. I will make you your life the living hell. Even to my surprise, Onyedibia called me yesterday. Was even thanking me. Na kowaziri mu omena. I'm a Christian person. I was born in AG, so my Christian value, even I was even skeptical to touch my brother, my sister, mba. Na no didi bianke ya wo mad. But was okay. No wahala. I was specifically talking to him. This young man is playing every Jpac ga takutaja na concrete na kam. I am your greatest scam. I should give no joke. If you like, you go pay all the man. Then my baby Facebook blogger so man. Okay, channel de ya wodo. Ntina come. I can't hear you. All these people in you remember how you used to contact me? Okay, but onya war, lepe information onya, lepe onya. I know say so you they do them. But na nkem ka mmiri no la go tula. Mmiri ahụ na go shige na go. Guys, na sharam video. Na sharam video. Jpac. Ina agbagharị. Chineke God. Jpac na agbagharị. Ogechi mere ndị Nnewi. If you guys did not do anything this time around, Mama ran Ogechi Okeke. They commit a crime. You start calling in the Nnewi. Mbibru la nwanne nwoke onye osumenyi me ya ihe akaja. Ye gite gị n'airport. Shige bịara ndị apology nko. Ima na my brother. Ki ibru la allegation le n'ishi. You matter no onye Nnewi. Osumenyi my brother. The man eturu ngwa ahịa na China because of anything 100,000. You destroy a man's business. Now you are crying. The Nnewi where you? Unu ga-emere m Ogechi ya. Ị ga-emecha kpọọ your grandfathers. Jpac, I'm a list to nwoke niile na gị with a full force with evidence. You should have been interpreting man okay. About Ifeanyi. I am coming to the I am just going to share. Because when I will start that topic, actually people gather. I want people to gather and listen to me. Because you are not from Nnewi. Do I give a fuck about you? Whether I'm from am I here to explain it to you? Did I talk to fools? I am talking to reasonable persons. I don't talk to animals. Mba. You're not human being. So why would I talk to you whether I'm from Nnewi? Whatever you want to be, so call it. I'm not getting no cause to settle whether I'm in Nnewi or my Nnewi. It would be for me to repeat myself. You want to go? Guys, Shano Brugramma. Ihima about Jpac. You know, no Jpac thought when I had the number that I wasn't monitoring his useless lifestyle. He won't around. Guys, you're trying to become. I'm a joke. Na Shano video. Because I mean, he never removed anything I posted about Jpac again, or because anything I post about Jpac, Basara, the more information are coming, no, delete. You guys should stop it. Happen in the comment section. They are here to talk whatever they like to talk. I don't know, maybe I had the guy. Anyway, come to you here before I can proceed. Okay, before I go further, this is my very humble dad, who I'm well pleased. The reason why I'm in this country is because of that man lying at state. He's my father. He's everything. Not even that he's a father. He has led Nnewi community na America. Or wala their president, or wala their vice president. Dr. Professor Ogechi Okeke. That's my father. He's from Osumenyi. Oji student visa. Mere the whole Osumenyi gathered. Near scholarship. So, my dad, na COVID-19. Also, nde naga church Christian economy. That believe in Christian economy. Before this, I go that far. My daddy was a principal in Nigeria. My daddy was a headmaster. My daddy was also a Nigerian soldier. He served his country. Before he ban Onunkuji, from Onunkuji, you went a student visa, has sponsor and also many beha. Then he came to this country. Process then it was really tough then. So he survived. Fight for us, and he brought us in this country. So when we came to this country, you know, things started happening, which is, it's none of anybody's business. He's my father. I still love him to death. That is why I will fight Jpac until the day I join my ancestors. This man, he gave me life. This man, he made me to be onye nobody can ever. I'm not Nigeria now. He gave the reason my husband did Jpac military. My daddy credential gave me you go to school for free without paying a dime in this country. The man who go to an extent they can't pay him anymore. They could not pay him anymore. Oh, make the PhD upon PhD now go to an extent. Ya submit here and I share Professor Timothy, we cannot afford to pay you. Go and ask anybody this thing them na joge. When it come to American standard, they want to level Rundocha become intimidated. Wait, or that level. What I go? This man Jpac brought out to Ejemiha Kaja. For those of you, Shem ni find obey and if my father carry find your back to me, to anybody. Yaru mi find your back and nagika basarage. My father is more than if find your back Jpac humiliated. My father is priceless. Did you get me? So if you don't value anything that has to do with your life, I value my own. Whether I'm my father, whether I'm it is my personal issue. It is my family issue. It has nothing to do with you. Yawuroma, get no one problem or get your father a problem. Get to table wine on social media. That is your business. All of you that are watching me here with a different type of family issues. You want to meaning? You touch your family. You want to go? I don't have vam. So even if I have issues in my family, whether my mom and my mother or the number, whether my mom and my siblings, it's none of your goddamn business. You should tackle your own family issue. You should not bring. Jpac, my father died COVID-19. Because I believe in Christian economy, because I'm a member of Christian economy church. That you should not take vaccine, now vaccine with chips. My father refused. Even when my husband, a medical doctor, called him, you know, professor on my address as a professor, prof, please go and take this vaccine. My dad is shown. Nayaman take here. Na kwihe kwuru na owu gene serve oshowu gene etiri ya na ahụ. My father had COVID. One hospital. 3 days. 3 months called on a hospital. The first person that visited him was my husband. My husband and Akbaya gbara that time ya gba ya. Ba ko wete go di ime to talk 1 or 2. Did you understand? Ka people put on mama home and my father won. Konya wu direct contact here if anything happened to him. My husband, because before my husband enter military, all credential my father, I think about 3 persons. Nani, my dad, they submit here, in the military, that's it. That they don't want no more, that is okay. That this man merit anything. That was the go and find that before I got by military people that will. My father did it for my husband. If I'm not in good time with my father, how did he do all these things? The documentation, the packaging. When I was filing my husband, my father gave it to me. My father filed everything. With that document here, immigration. The thing I have any so. So, the problem when my father went Ogechi Okeke still supported me to bring in my husband here. Jpac and my daddy won. But he post on social media. By then, Jpac was with Palace of Fools. I'm not going to remember because every time he starts, I say, who is this man? I don't know him. Yeah, bro, my dad. Some people say he did not comment anything bad. Let me tell you one thing. Jpac did not comment anything bad. Jpac may inform of bad thing. Jpac may for people to see I am not mocking the dead. Right, Jpac he were my dad did not had critical condition at his vulnerable last day on this earth. No logo. I don't have been pamonala. Eti be yana monchuare. Jpac brought my picture. Nye Ken. Not only on a Ken, you post on a platform here. Baken in the Pakan Geshimea, I got me mayor in the name. Jpac on any rights. Not only that, oh, myself from that video over my father tag war. That video I don't have it. But thank God that I screenshotted this and reposted it on my platform. Oh, yeah, Mary Jihuya. Mazi Jpac media. Jpac were my father, known at the critical last stage of his life. Ashonyeria manademma. Onyeria manademma. They were my dad. Jpac likri all my father's profile. Jpac likri all my father's information. Were abunyendo to ya. Yana yaja abawo. Let me, before I proceed, before him Basari Fanyoba and other people who are Jpac that I have their information, please, I want to play a video. I want you to pay attention. Watch. Just watch. For those of you that are judging me, please, if you are getting on my shoe, I would like you to act a different way. You want to go? But before I proceed, only him not chucky gainer because share am this video. If Jpac mecha give na this our blue app, ihum gashi na ga man madu na like this. I want to show you guys something. Just pay close attention. Actually, okay, watch this program. Actually, watch this program. Watch here, Jpac, you know, them mother can my father name. Okay.
Virus. That period, you know, when I time I said virus. I don't know why. I know my brother go there, man. You know, when I said virus. Because they need people to die more. Because the more people now, and they be here go. The country they be here go. Yes, Malaysia guy today I said that 4 people want today. Tomorrow I said that 10 and 1. It's gonna increase. But they blue virus, but they I didn't get highest number. Can they be here? The man was here, lifeless, no help. A professor from Osube was here, lifeless. Nobody. There is nothing like Ogechi here. The mother wasn't here. The children was nobody was here to take care of this man in the hospital. This man, I'm frustrated. I want to be where I told you. Ogechi Okeke COVID there. And made this man up to us. The way COVID with this man. Him with this man, I go and he'll get you coming to social media. This man had attack. This man is still a young man. Watch him. He's still a very vibrant young man. Very vibrant young man. Look at him. Very vibrant.
I'm gonna my dad. When I hold the replicant.
I know this man, and I'm gonna do too much.
When I hold my dad. Good. Apena home. Apena home the resemblance. Guild.
Mistake or pause my daughter come here pause that idiot here. Or even opposite condom it. Opposite condom it. Huh? The way they let Timothy, he died because of hunger. I don't know this man, but to me, I want a clever billionaire. A clever billionaire, like social media. They want to do place everywhere in Nigeria. And when I estate. Look at this young man died because of hunger. Ogechi Okeke. I can never say my soul is in peace, no. Because I'm more John Wa. If I get one baruru. Dora Akumi, la home wine there, Basuru, and I hear the professor Amo. The professor Amo, there's one house, man, I can get so house. And a fair father. That is why you educate Okongo. That is why you bastard. This is your 4 years in there now. And so that time when every day I'm on Facebook. The day I'm on Facebook, but you're still making shit for that. Nobody bury you. Nobody give you beneficial burial. And you're a coward. You didn't act like a man. It is too slow. It is too slow. You want a low spirit. You want a very low spirit. It is too dull. It is not thief at all. I see that thief. Can you see that more Kubo get you overnight? I'm going to say that young get there, but no, got it to the about lady as usual. It's about that. Was it like you was so since you can you put the go gauge? Since you can and you put the man to go gauge, or maybe a libo, or maybe a libo. It didn't do anything. Oh, whatever. What is the eyeglass guy is a professor. Now, John, one house. We pulse. I got my second line with do. Capro be no part of that pocket. I know. Man, I bring up the pocket. I never can judge you. Or to get with to work at your head. That's the only way they get bad any bill. Maybe we did to work at you. You know, can enter heaven. So you have to kill this people. With that power, you don't have more. But you the guy for that day, no get it. Pabuera, but may young one there. Are you a coward? Act like a professor. It happened about him. Yeah, I'm saying this. Are you happy that I buy him on this? You know, I'm saying this is you put it on Facebook. You put it out of point. You put it in me, I'm a mayor jungle justice. It didn't have thief at all. You were a coward. You wake up like a lion. Just fire that woman overnight. Fire that bastard overnight. Get you wanna it is again. Professor don't come with up because of Agruburia. And when he single indomie on this man, not for you. And when he single blood on this man, not for you. This man just died like an idiot. A rabbit. A rabbit. Do I do my Diego of edit. Your side chick. Of your side chick. All side chick you take that problem, you know. Only one on time. Now side chick edit to kill you. Because I say good move, I love from why I got Paragu. Why I got Paragu, a Gawebu. Gawebu, it was able before. Gagawebu. Greggy, even Otelupu. Even Otele. Even Amo. You carry Amo, even Amo. Amo is your Ila was I before Amo. I'm going to have them. I'm going to have them. It's a gozo. We should get some water. Gabo Telupu did to Susu. Unushi. Susu Yamma Unushi. It's lucky that I just did a minute. I for use Hamara. What's the challenge you for one? Idiot. Have to receive sense. Receive sense for that grave. Receive sense for that grave in Ochileka work. Idiot. Why a criminal? And then because I'm not a professor, I'm not a Deparuru, Rosses and the Bodena is born more Peru. Can't buy a criminal. It's a good on if you don't Facebook. Yadonia. A whole if I oba, Ndibo Diamono, Nigeria Diamono, Capital Oil, Enugu Diamono, even with Diamono, even with him today, if I oba so contribute on board. Oti if I oba on that man last year again, because of if I oba that man. Okobaka if I oba declare 3 days fasting. Better one. Canon amount to an Apadilia. Family can lose a billionaire for that matter. A senator, a city senator. Can one why put on a social media? None around Wokoniki. I want you to understand why you were supposed to kill Ogechi before you died. That is why I'm trying to tell you that I want to vote you tonight to stand up for that death, that grave, and destroy that Ogechi tonight. The lady have destroyed your name you built for years as a professor. She have destroyed your reputation. Your name will exist. A whole billionaire capital lawyer comes around on a Jpac in Ike. There's evidence. All the whole bloggers, all the whole content creators, every that video, and that viral. And the more that viral, all the more people, they
okay. Do you know why I played this video? It's for you guys to know what Jpac did to me. Jpac brought out my father's picture and gave it to a group of people. Like Jpac was using Obum to saga Akozion. That's exactly what Jpac did. He does not want to commit this crime on Akaya. He brought out my father's image. For those of you that said, is it Jpac voice? No, it's not his voice. In my YMG post a picture here. Okay, when the day and the very moment Jpac posted my father, where I ganye Jpac. Now, share this video. I'm about to say something about this Ifanyo bad that everybody's going crazy about. On that fateful day, guys, please share my program because about time he end them. EMG shiki this thing way home. Arrow Jpac committee ebe my father-in-law. Until generation Jpac end when any of them got guru half school nam guru. This person known in Awonyanguruma. He's a drunkard that even in Gampam putere kwoku. Common ticket again yonya bata na that hall kobia kwoku. We are Professor Ko that dimne jina signature yaga gas school no boda we graduates. Can one drunkard somewhere upon generation you work you was son and when any of them get them common masters to compare the degree my daddy acquired in this country. All you know ka Jpac brulan namu bunyon do to ya ka haji war my dad. The same word you with a voice note to aku where anye obum come again go jina abakona share. That's exactly what happened here. I just want to explain it to you. I want to Jpac Okeke, but all drunkards, people don't know one until any chant, and even I carry a hand away again. And we can get you half from my father's oroko. No, ka Jpac brula my father. Onyo shino one near Jpac won't but my daddy won't also many. Buru my father, Bunyan saga keji my father, by war. No, wouldn't die now about the war with my problem. Now Jpac that brought out my father's image on social media. Onye shiminki areyama ebreya bige. Ya wuro my head Jpac mere my late dad. Or the game man. I gave me and page. I gave me anybody you love so much. I gave me any block mo negi mo won nage. I gave me gia. And I want you to take it. I want Bia Udo, don't provoke me. I'm a block again. I'm not in the mood for rubbish. If you don't understand what I'm saying, go to your neighbor to explain it to you. Yawuroma, that my father know at his crit. Imakuyewu onyeria manademma. A man in on doga got COVID. Onya ga COVID mere. Am I him nako? David, this guy a brum pamo. Say pick. Amamoni setere a picture. If you want me to leave you alone, tell that person setere the picture. Kamuna yaga doga ya no boda. Kajo ya HIPAA violation. You took my daddy's picture. You sent it to Jpac. Kagene. Muna Jpac ain't a problem. Amara monye Jpac wo. I have never come across Jpac before. Ye buru my father's email. Oshiba no wonyo sumenyo. Even that video ya phone save mwezi mu that phone. Ikari hebe Jpac jin na mona agbawo. Na jo Jpac. Mpam o mere gegene. Etibe kwa mpam na fridge o. Ojo soro nwutai ese picture se grab Jpac ebupute ya na line. Etibe mpam na moncho hare. More or less it is wo Igbo osu eje eliya. That very day mpam ikubiri. Ka Jpac sere picture. Ka agbara somebody say picture ebupute my father online. Eji ya na agbawo. Owu di ndị Igbo shi na owu onye gbara ga egbe. No one yet Rugakashi Arengeno. No, the person with the problem. Jpac is my problem until the day I will die. I have met Jpac. I would get information jigina munyeki. Jejuko wani gindari no now because I'm coming. John wani gi ndeni nekoro yo goranya because Ogechi is coming. Would he get when would the day he got bury my daddy? He got put on a social media. Matana onwu we hindi Igbo anaghị eji egwu. That onwu is a sacrilege. It's an abomination. Ngamno oje mu na ya dey na mmanwo. I do go to fundraising. Ihe na akpọ uli. Enwere one dibia kpọrọ m yesterday kọwara m ihe na akpọ ya na owo dey fundraising. Na na akpọ ya fundraising na we foreign name. Na na akpọ uli. Even ndị osumeni ị na-eme burial na banya shi osumere mmadụ ọgaranya n'ozu. Enwe ihe na-epute a na-ebute nnam, a na-ebute ehi, a na-ebute nta, a na-akwara ga kwamozu dịka na-eme one big ceremony n'ozu ka osu je enwe ego. So everybody mo omenala Igbo. It's not like abia me kọrọ ga akọrọ. You want to go? Jpac brought my father. So onye shi na ọrụ ya mma. I want you before I will forgive Jpac. No wa secret ya niile my father no destroy Jpac. Jpac ga-eburu enyi puta na social media bury my father without CT. Onokwa osumenye murumune. Onokwa lebu murumune. Jpac nwekwa udo na aka m. Let me never see tomorrow. I drop this oil nke mepere emepe. I drop my oil. Jpac nwekwa udo na aka m. Mana na Ogechi Okeke njaka. I will never let Jpac have peace. Oga bury my father. Oga kpo ndani onye ahụ wepụtara picture my father nye Jpac. Jpac ga-abịa gwa m onye ọ. Ọ ga-eburu enyi. Ọwụkwa nna m ọwụhe enyi. Gario nna m. Kọsọ ma onye Professor Timothy Okeke wo. O ma onye Dr. Professor Timothy Okeke wo. Onwe who dik that kind of person na ndụ ya. Ma Jpac apụta make ya up story na nna m pụrụ m ọnụ. Jọnụ Jpac ari ebe mụ na ya nọ nna m abụọ m ọnụ. Ọ onye ndị mụ na ha na-enwe problem bịa ha nye gị na my father rapuru m. Jụ na m ebe my father shi rapuo m. Na m pụtara na Facebook gba nna m wọ. Wetara m ebe m gbara nna m wọ. Na m pụtara na mụ na my father adịghị na mma. Na mpa bụrụ m ọnụ. Ọ na mgbe m nwụrụ anwụ ka mgbe ndị ndụ ka nna m bụrụ m ọnụ a. And then rumors just to destroy Ogechi. Jpac Oshiole manamu. Muna Jpac ya binumulo. Or Jpac in documentation. Mjiri support my husband to come here. Or Jpac with the documentation. Dimujiri baname. Onyen na ya brono. Or signature Jpac kamji with my first associate in Obuda. Onyen na ya brono. That was how rumors started though. No Ogechi jikwara boy ono. And then rumor. Ejena Google so one engine gene tinye rubbish information. O jikwara wuru information n'Ogechi. Ogechi jikwara nna jikwara repuo ya. Ogechi jikwara enweghị the kind of lies this people put out to destroy my person. The thing anaga Ogechi jikwara shana empire repu ya masha. Where and when and how? Are you living with me? Do I know you guys? Where are you guys getting all this information? Me dipayo. Ne me kwari hemo. A good information na everywhere. No Ogechi jikwara repu ya. Ogechi jikwara ton na nga gwia. Ebe ka nna mu garanga no oboda. O na mmoko na mmado. Ebe ka m repuru, ebe ka nna m repuru mu. Ebe ka nna m nọrọ bụọ m ọnụ. A na-ebuari ha. Everywhere. False information. Eburi ya na-aga. How can I come out and tell you that my father raped you? O na mmoko na mmado. On work on also. Just to make it tarnish Ogechi's image. Or a pronamo call na mado. Ụfọdụ apụta na ọwụ COVID gburu nna m na warriors ọzọ gburu ya na agụ gburu ya agụ na-egbu mmadụ na America. Ihe ọbụla onye achị na agụ gburu na America. Ihe ọbụla onye apụtara eho prọfesọ rụrụ ọrụ kebe ochi bata n'obodo a ka ọ gburu. Na emere mpam ihe a na-emere every soul nọ n'obodo a fundraising is become even ban COVID na agbaka one place. Get me home na GoFundMe. Get me na WhatsApp. You can put it anywhere. Eburu ya ejikwara raise gala mpo Ogechi ego na GoFundMe. Ya biko mpam o mere ihe mebe before. Ihe ndị Igbo na-emekwa things that is normal. Mgbe COVID na nwe onye na-apụta na-emezi all this group thing na na-eme. Get me home na WhatsApp. Get me na GoFundMe or get me to any social media. Ogulao ihe a na-emekwa a na-akpọ ya uli that man kọwara m ya that man kpọrọ ma me play voice note ya soon. Gwanumu crime Ogechi committed eburu na nna m bụrụ m nna m na nna m adịghị na mma so mụ na nna m adịghị na mma nna m enye Ugochukwu akwụkwọ jiri baa me nna m enye akwụkwọ Ugochukwu jiri bịa n'obodo a mụ na nna m adịkwa na mma even mụ na nna m adịgoda na mma. How is that your business? How is my family problem become your business? If I pass it, oh ya ka onye aṅụrụma onye in this life to come. Enweghị onye ga-adị ka nna m Ogechi na family apụta were na agba ya one on Facebook because of Jpac. Because of Jpac, we pụtara nna m na-akụ ya na-abụghị ọrụ. A whole professor in your lineage until you kweme. And when you get the Dr. Timothy Okeke, Professor Timothy Okeke, no wow. All the privilege in here, and that is why I'm Jtagidegi. Iga kwala la Jpac. Imagine you make a video ka people who have been ministry ban of Piubogo. Before my ban and key final ba. Iga kwala la. Iga magwagi that also akula something people do not play with. Also Gaga put a picture, yeah. Where information on my dad, with a picture, we're all at the last stage. Bunya Kejina Bama war. And get shemu come hapogi. People are my baby people. You have to render apology. Ega kwala. He gave me all the before get my peace in come. Makachi awi information on handing nigama about your wife. Mande dinara, mande kuriyugo. Don't be surprised that one day I'll auto one nigga apata. To my aga me make it hunanya. One go back in there when I'm born about akwa you go ya baroto. I am waiting for those ones. Jpac me making no wa. Gamana no will get the other man came. I will show you pepper. It got matter that when it comes to family matter, you do not get yourself involved. When it comes to family matter, you do not cross some boundaries. You don't cross some boundaries. I want to get a woman there, Buyana. Now, I'm my problem. Oh, give one. Gaga Pupute, my dad, Nyande Saga, she had Buruya. Did you hear what I said? Good. Now, Ganga Namata Ifanyoba. On that fateful day, Anonamu, Aborom Tiga na WhatsApp call. Jpac and Onanga. Ashemene Jpac arrest. Anyapo, sorry. Bishop Ozubra had to mention your name, my brother. We called Bishop. Bishop was not picking up. We called many people were not picking up. So, Yerumbe, Mashi, but Jpac, if I know back, ne release gi. Now we find Oba ne bell all the time. Keti here, Mereni. Yashimumbao, okay, get no maintain. Record this part for those of you who got false information. Record this part. Record ya. Save it and record it and share it to your loved ones. Machi Jpac, why can't you call Gage? Yashimba. Okay, na egwa mi here gabigara n'aka this man. Every time on na help, yashi yapo humo otu la kona ya. Every time on help, ni kenya japo humo otu la ade ya. Ni kenya je bend na namu na odiro ya. Let me repeat it again, oh. Jpac shemo. No ge. Now when you basapari fanyo ba that I should not bring it na this matter. John, why didn't you call Ifanyo ba that very day? That second arrest. Why Ako? Yeah, this simple question can you John Jpac. Did you tell Ogechi that Ike Japohuma na manyega munike no bulage? Ikuriako Igwahumia. Did I just amam na Ifanyo bagin head and I'm like that? Amamu here chikorogina. Was I there? Esomugi and there. You vividly told me Mbaboro Bishop Opiki you call. Anyabo met another person that yana Bishop 5 and 6. Anyabo ya should have Bishop Ano yana driver na follow Bishop Ana haga. You want to go? Anya try ya Bishop. Imekwaga walk back from Inga. By then you go give phone Lugi. But then they gave you your phone. Listen up because I'm like I know the full side of the story. I'm not afraid that in the I will not answer. But I can what brought Ifanyo back in that conversation. Achakodo and Udo. Jpac vividly opened his mouth to Shemo. I will repeat it over and over and over again. Ifanyo ba. Mma for help. Yaru mi find your bon edina woke Ogechi adra. Yaru mi find your bon on organize help ya shigi bendia amam. Mbahuka Ojiri mem Kim she do you minute yashim. Na gidi mene yacho he boya. Now why didn't he want to call him? Because ni ka ya. Every time I share bendia ke etinye ya mudi ke ni ka de ya little favor madu ge meregi oge boost cho ge megi before. So June yande na bari shi Ogechi na amcho ni find your he told me. He fucking told me when he's in his critical time. I'm back on Shia Tapuyan when the police in their phone on a few minutes. Back on Yenny Shiano Jina Potan. For those of you guys, get and I'm a Puaro. I have what I'm Campuru. And I'm a Puaru and I'm in Gambi ye Bentia. Oh, here, but I'm Campuru. So, how you guys saying Nampuraro? How you Puaro? Na madu gwara mi ihe shim ni kembo himo tula bulaya na mboni na ifani ihe oga narela junior why didn't Ifanyo ba release him that time ebo wu ya Ifanyo azai gini me na osa hunya that particular day gini me no for those of you that Ogechi agolare ga John Jpac no what no this kind of conversation with me or no or we no bera na emeru no petty video. That is not the bone of contention. Sheno yao na gini mere le kwa point unu ga na ajuya. Na gini mere that very day onusuru hope of contacting everybody at that critical time. Na gini mere point Ifanyo bona we abo ebe oneshi ebe an Ifanyo ba na conversation. But that day conversation Ifanyo ba could not go through. Unu iga wobu ndi ga wobu. Owo mu na gino ga gwa me he gbara mu that I was so shivering. I was shivering and Ashim recorded again. Is his word against my works? Ishim Buzuroke. I'm not crazy. I want to get Jiziru no go on your Ifanyo Bona and he came on a hana. No, man. No. Now una sabi because I know sabi. So in a job my record and when I mention record Dora give say Vurogi. I'm a dog at Ware. Oh soon. ga-ajụzi Jpac ugboro ole ka Ifeanyi Uba nara ya n'ike. Iwetago? So ihe unu na-agbagharị here na-agbagharị na-eke ka ahụ gbasara unu. Agwala m nke onye gwara m ihe ọ gwara m. Now that day it was everybody. Then I had to call Aku. I had to reach Aku because I could go busy. Na me here Zolo Peters ya. I had to call Aku Chako. Legwa na Jpac watch legwa ihe okuru no she no chon him own so person. All like for my shower ya get out. He went who talk. I get out. He what I go? So na ya bochana so mba ka Aku jiri me na zone 2. Na zone 2 Lagos. Aku had to put up a call. Aku Zion had to put up a call. That was how, not only a call, Aku had to send the money for belling. Aku had to bring his own money when Ogwaramu dati. Na ya chongu nke Ifeanyi Uba ga-emecha ya kpọ ya n'ụlọ. I want you to come and meet me now. Ka mkpọ him otula ka na mama mu n'ike. N'ike amu agwụla ya. N'ihe ya agbaga na wisatolo town. Go and ask him. So, no, it's not me. Jpac, but I'm the king. He bendi. And I so, whether you like it or you want to cry, call him that now we need. And the Jpac, I'm giving you another challenge. Jpac, he got what a doctor, give out what a doctor. Can you oginike? Ya uroma. And when I'm going before Jpac, I will pay you any damages you can quote. But all I'm going to Jpac, he got any amount. Can you make a keep up here? What a doctor give what I came. Come on a dog in after examining you and the doctor approved that Ikegika will virgin. Jpac, I will pay you any damages or later. Yakwano me your charge. Ya huru mejili kegimene ngana aboko so Jpac, then you will pay me. How about that? Jpac, make it happen. I will call my doctor na Nigeria now. Gabota nkegi enyo chao tulage ya huru me mebe amu paraginike. Jpac, I will pay you damages. Did you hear what I said? For those of you I'll prepare this one because I have challenged you, Jpac. What put out to lagi? Ma bota my doctor. Kaga legi, ga bota nkege lekuogi. Ke wete the results. Kihu ba obokrobo. Kamara me wena dozens of spam konoga fo. Kamara me mena dozens of miriamu. That's your big stomach. If not, can walk damages call a. How about that? Can this problem solve? How about this simple challenge? Now, when it comes to Chinedu Nwadike, Jpac opened the mouth and told me, may his soul keep resting in peace. I got home there. I did not do contribution for Chinedu Nwadike. I was not at Chinedu Nwadike's presence. Jpac told me, na Chinedu Nwadike buori obiri na ajo chan. Na Chinedu Nwadike bu ekezi nke oboroshi na wo syphilis. Na Chinedu Nwadike no tule emecha na eshi mmiri. Even that day Ifeanyi Uba bịara na nde nurse. Kemakwa no mentio quote by Jpac. Na nde nurse gbaga daddy na etesiri onye positive na because rumor bịa gawa. According to Jpac, na rumor bebe gawa ana-ekwu na Ifeanyi na dinner. Okwa Jpac na korobo. Anything I say, quote to me na ihe m gwara gị. Na Ifeanyi Uba na dinner. Onya. So Oshi, one of the nurses say, pull Ifeanyi Uba by the side. Shia, Oga, can we do audio brinajo test for you? Ifeanyi Uba, don't worry. You don't worry. Na urubeke like that. Igwara ya ka igwa ya. Mgbe ị pụtara Chinedu Nwadike na agba ya wish na agba onye nwụrụ. Ịgbala my father war, gba Chinedu Nwadike war. So all these things you are clamoring and saying, yeah, kwejela agụ mgbada abịa ya ogba. Mgbe mgbada dị mgbe agụ dị ndụ. Ke gwara m mgbe ejigi n'ọnụ oyi. Ke gwara m shi na gị ike mkpọhụ otulu agwụla gị. You feel me? So all these things, now that's not me. He told me. He particular anyway, or I will stand my feet and keep saying what I'm saying with no shaking. Jpac, get challenge. Go and do that challenge. Simple as ABC. And you must follow the command. You can follow ya. Now, na Chinedu wadi ke buoria. So ashina no lot Chinedu no lot if I know back at Chinedu be no way she war. In fact, no Julia mene dear friend there. Now you told me. And I'm there. A some giga. I'm Chinedu wadi ko buori obrinada chomo bihu. I'm not Chinedu wadi ko syphilis mobiro. Are you not the one that's telling me all this? What I go? So maybe all Jonah Tusigi, it just ain't according to you. It just ain't to like so now you sabi. So all these people in my father's picture, Kahajina buy a war. In a Wanga Kahambatrage war, Jpac. You are talking rubbish. So those of you that want to be carrying all those fake Ogechi Okeke, how newi, Majorland newi have one. If I offend any newi man or any newi women, I wasn't the person that said it. The reason why I job only find Obamji Owako. I could report Oga Undoga. Ejiri nye onya bello that very day. The same find you boji contact yo. On I sent a message on a June yesterday. Gini me at that very day. Now share no video. You know why I'm telling you to share this video? Because tomorrow, somebody will not come up and make up story. Jpac where Belle face, he told me that if I knew any favor lawyer or entarayanwa, no na share humo to lelu. And the Nikaya Namunyo that should know that should. I will call Bishop Ozobor. Bishop was busy. We called Apam on a line. I was there. Apam not there. Bishop was busy. Bishop could not reach. I don't about Bishop or travel Kogra somewhere. They could not reach his local line. So you coming yesterday, not for Kuru Kampo Bishop. Never you add that man. Bishop Wogaranyana to Chineko Ebu. You know talo kuchi shigi buruya. You know okay Dr. Kamu, no they call anybody to help you. Bishop Ozubro Wogaranyana to Chukwu. A man na Jesus na put like this ne goshi onwe ya na eji oji. You want to go? Oh, somebody na to Ebu Chineke. No, they tag Bishop Ozubro in your mess. I never mention only poromo baramo kam na bage. Bishop Ozubro esusu. He's a man that so anything that has to do with God, Bishop Aneji Ebu. So never you ever this hanky panky video you made yesterday, and you keep saying, "Oh for obere, keep up Bishop." Shut up! Don't mention that holy man. Bishop front Chineke if I yana God. He's a clean man. He's not useless. He's a man. It did some. So in a make all this your sympathy war group. Do not include that man. Bishop the Sam or the clean or Chineke. So no the cap, no they bring rubbish. Okay? Ima, a man, that was the person I'm referring to, Jpac. Ima that's the mona people the name you know, Ngana aragi keti nyere Gana me. Yashim na no Ogechi. Inane. Awu Bishop Ozubro is somebody that want to connect you to Bishop. Mkime MC. You know the man. Tell people the truth. Stop mentioning Bishop name. Bishop has nothing to do with this. Bishop has no freaking nothing to do with. Stop mentioning him. The man they want to contract you to ndo dogu or humere go tula. Can it? That was the sound of mbana ogini ko he kwuru. So don't you ever add that innocent holy man. Bishop won garanya na to Chineke ogbu. Osohu na eme aro. Osohu na esusu. Don't bring anybody into your mess monage no na monage. You want to go? Mess monage no na monage. No they use anybody to come. That front they keep up is a lie. Emo onyana age blue and black. That very moment Jpac. Jpac ndizu mmanya ha go and return it or I'm coming with a brutal stone. Let me block that idiot. Who is it? Okay, all the car I block go. You want to go? So all these things in our bus, people like, and I'm not nay. Then which wogi ihe gwara Ogechi. So if you can answer ihe gwara mo by then anya mate by gibi. Any nangi simple challenge. I got your doctor, map my doctor. Agalegi kegi. If there is any ammo that is penetrating there, by then that one. I want to me Ogechi, I'm ready to pay you. In Ibata Nigeria, Jpac, no worry. You go see me. You go see me. In a woman in those are shower, in a war, in a drag people, in a put the first okay, she put the first information yesterday. Now that did you suspend the accusation. Now that did you suspend the accusation. Where and how? This is how you tarnish people's image. You know yesterday, but that did you suspend the accusation. How, when, where? I could not somewhere now know that you I be the period now on 24/7. Kishi now that is suspended. Ya bekola Zion. That ya suspend the bend again na be Zion na people hekpere. How turn out to original people. Ya wuru akuzion. And I suspend dia ozuno shin na Zion. Can I suspend the oburu madu? Can I suspend the opohumaro tula? Bija opohumana na ginike. Tell me the reason I get just suspend that. This is just to damage other people's reputation. Because see my comment here. Nde Zion aputa. Hey, habia. Nde Zion. You want to go? Be very careful with that man. Every time Ghana 100 days. Now, until the day you mention Ebukobi, that day Kega won't come. Gine susukwala. Ne queen director kwa. Igaraka. In the church, ne go. That was how problems started. Guys, listen to this voice. Share this program because where's mine? Listen to this voice. You want to come and damage Ebukobi name. That day Kega. That day Kage leaking. Happen Zion, they don't have business with you. And you should move on with your filtered life. It damage, it too dent to even do anything for Zion. I get boost or clean siage every day. Zion. On the our spiritual father can about again get Kijana na prove you na lie. Na lie. Problem when I go between the bay. Hapu Zion aka. Hapu ihe na basara Ebukobi aka. They are no longer interested in you. Gawaro nwegi. Ikera na Zion ke ga zu hoshi. It did not work for you. Get bito. Zion emenage every day. Ebukobi na progin negi. Ebukobi owu mo ki decide na oginike. Why are you always fighting? Ndo kaimena, ejiana because I nenye nu geko. A question I nenye go. Ige wepute that one we have already given to you. That one undesa yo nyeregi. Ige wepute ya. You have to bring it out. Very demonic human being. Everything you brought up people need destroy things that never existed. You will bring it to the timeline just to destroy the reputation of a man that did not do you anything. Because by all means. Or anybody that don't know. I believe you, I believe you, that day, because when we hear, you cannot do for money. I believe in the day me perono bam ni fanyu banana. I 100% believe it. Now, any name get challenge, go and do test in Ikiki. Elotalo stop calling in the Newi. Mbe brula, my brother from Osumeni destroy your business here. You did not remember that he's in Newi man. The man Ichia mega arrest before Gagawa Egypt. Egypt. Yeah. Iman all my brother. Iman all was so many my man. Iman all was so many my brother. In matter who know we endorse so many Jidrebube. Key destroyer. You do not remember that. Now you are calling Asimenya and make off for Cubana chief priest, Okubatana Ogechi Egbuola. You told me. Igwaramo. So I believe everything you told me. So go and explain to Ndenewi. Me find your bonanagi. It's not left for you. It's not left for you to tell Ndenewi ke wejoku. All this sympathy card you are playing, we destroy people's marriage. We able to one in doso. Na Okoko hotel. Eba na ya no nya wife material. Here and people I want to come and mess with. Are you normal at all? Did they forget so easily? How the abomination you committed on this blue app? Oh, you want us to no? Jpac na mabia for when you play what record. Please admin anytime I post ndo will contribute to Jpac, do not delete it. Jpac is everything that concerns even if one ya I come target even if one again about the war. My father is priceless. The reason no even if woman have a problem, it's none of your business. Obasa honge. And then when family issues settle lawyer, it's none of your goddamn business. Keep pretending I'm on social media. So all those useless idiots that called you yesterday, they get on a platform, they can charge their own program. How about my father will have a console lugi? They are my saga members. We've been in saga for years. So I understand. They are not real people. What the idiot to work again? I get you can knock into Nigeria. I get you the cinema indicate. I get you with car. Okay, she will put you here. If he's fighting for justice, let him bring out his face. All those who are shower that called you that have prostituted their lives, they are rubbish. Oh, and when a local page, this page is meant for people who matter. That's a dignity's war. It's meant for high class war. And when a page need this bang bang. Natural can be discussed one here. I will just summarize all those people that called you yesterday. I will just summarize their stupidity. How undoshi. They have scammed Igbo. Hi Jila, Ogechi killed Mr. B. Real people who ego to today. They cannot give account of ego. And the name of Ogechi is going to Kuje. The same people. In Malaysia, the same as shower or again. Ojibla Nigeria. Bleach and everywhere you take bleach. Yeah, I say wakuna. Let me play one of your voice. Shania, come put the police first about again. Came Matonia Boroge that day. Wait. You allow the man make evidence. Listen to it. For those of you that are calling to talk rubbish. That idiot that called you yesterday. Chere? Come bring a voice here. You allow me Ejimia. I don't just talk. When I tell you that somebody was shower, I'm trying to shower, you will know. It's the truth. I'm not just making up story. Okay? So not the cap. You know, I'm going to show you I'm in Galilee. What I go?
Sorry, I'll call.
Oh, look at it. Not the cap, not the came off for me.
I go 10.
Gentle.
Okay, I'm not going to take it this full story. Sharon, that's when you want Sharon. Yes. I will Sharon. Oh, yeah, go to Gaza. I'm making the story. My friend, you was this one. Prince, I like is this one. Only lazy and another house. Prince may be my then you Prince are also a Villa Sharon. Can you imagine? Now, the hell, you know that daddy, you're going to know when you Prince and call like it. Prince, call she over the boy, call nowhere. Prince is no way when you're working. Prince, I got the boy in Sharon. The boy denies the opinion of who I want to make. That's the phone I'm now. So because of that, my Prince still wants to go to Malaysia for. Hey.
No, na mado. Here and there, I could be in Malaysia. No, jury ought to la Malaysia ni. Only about getting up on about being near Jerimoya. So she calling you, and them na she push up. Those are the group of companies who getting a she. Hey, that they should stop prostituting with their life. onye mere Jpac gị ana nnedi agwụ m ka anyị na-akpọ gị bleacher. She's the one. Akwe nụrụ ya ebe anyị enye testimony obi o jiri ọkpụ na bie ha ejiri wuru nne ya. So I don't know why she's calling you to pretend. She's a prostitute. Ashimi agbazila akwụna. Kwụsị ịgba akwụna. Kwụsị ite bleaching. Stop decaying your soul. All crime and commentary. You want to go? So I don't know why Ogechi Okeke pretended to cover. No. A prostitute traditional akwụna. Ya na ebe akwa nkịtị. Gwa ya ya kpọla gị next time. She ya weta ihu ya. Ya nọzili on the dark. You want to go? Amami ya na on the dark na ebere akwa. This is our record. You all am gwara gị na m ji ejim ya. Nshi gị na mmanụ nwụrụ anụ m nga na olie ya. Shi ya kwụsị akwụna. Ọ bụkwa na ọrịa na-akpọ ọrịa obiri na aja ọcha na-ebukasa ya na Canada. So when I'm doing nyem je mepega people anya ka ọ hapụ ibunye because akwụna ọ gbara na Malaysia. Eji ibu ya kpụ aza. She needs to stop. Those are the group of sagas. Those are the group of prostitutes. Na nke na-ere ọtọ jiri ọtọ ụmụ nwaanyị anyị na-ere. So I don't know why it has become ya ha akpọ gị. They are all saga members. You want to go? Samam why? Okay, jiri ntụ gị nụrụ. She's a prostitute. Akwụna ka ọ bịa dekwa nga o butere ọrịa. Listen.
Okay, thank you. No, can go that and this thing mixture. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. No, can go that and this thing mixture. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Okay, yeah, I feel him now. Okay, standing now because the thing side of the leg. Side of the leg. Your infection.
Okay.
Or like a stand, mama. I think all for that stand.
Okay. Okay, no. Oh, yeah, the same bastard they brought yesterday. On them na sharp now. Now, can go back the next person they brought yesterday. Ebehano na group na ekunya get in umwa Ike. These are all the battles that I'm battling. All the kind of group you associate with. Now listen, get pantio. He get this one again. He had a no more buying. Gente. Can we have a plan him more buying this December? And all we had just shabia. I calling you. I get you did this. I get on them she have pushy call to those are the people that are calling you. Gente.
Nwanne mmadụ nke awụ nke anyị emere onwe anyị na nke anyị emere onwe anyị oge ma anyị agbara onwe anyị na ụbọchị anyị eme hangout ịghọta enwero video a na-evidio enwero phone eji ese anything ihe ahụ ihe anyị eme na room anọ na room ndị chọrọ ịgba the game akwụnye ha n'ọkụ a na-afụ ya anya ịghọta enwero phone enwero ego abịa video bụ onye etinyere ya bụ ife na-arụ because ihe ahụ ahịa aṅụrị ka anyị bịara inwe nke a ihe dịrị anyị nwa ịghọta so pant and bra dị very okay onye anyị yi pant and bra eche game etikuru ọfụma eti ọfụma ebido the game for how many minutes ekwuru ọwụ 3 minutes ka ekwu etinye narị ya ma ka o si adị ọwụ na ọ survive 3 minutes enye ya ego ọ dị happy ọgwa na ọ survive the 3 minutes anyị erikwa ego onye ọzọ abanye ịghọta ya dị we
ya nchọ etinye ya bụ enwere ike eme ebele ka ọ bụ face ndị ahụ ịdago ka ọ ga-abịa face mana ọtụ ha ekwejiri a ga-adọsa ọtụ dowe ka oke mmanwụ dosa ọtụ gboo wee na-eme competition akọbaziro ndị ahụ alright without that nwanne competition abụrụ ihe a na-ezo ezo competition abụrụ ihe a na-ezo ezo alright onye ọbụla nwekwara eji eti na-abịa maka aghụghọ adịrọ mma
those people that called you na console gị all the people she here is lot of wine. Stop using our women nude in the name of business. You must go and look for a job. Our women is not a practice of isoha through technology. Akwere ka eji shiga ga doso auto umwanyi. Oh. Did you see it? Oh, in the those are the people that called you, consoling you yesterday. Namchi apushi koto mu. Iya na bagi plan hana plan this December. Ko mu wani ga just rupanta bare were drug tinye ha ni ibu. E were drug fonye ha ni ibu. Did you understand? I'm shaking many things in the yesterday. I'm about to show you a woman that is allowing her child to video her nakedness so she can sell it. Those are the idiots that called you yesterday. You guys, I'm a chapunu na this blue app. I'm problem. I am the camera that met all of you. Unuga push prostitution. Here we are planning this December. Egide one ya soro pantambara ye me people ya. E were drug fonye ya nimo imibu. If she gets high to entertain them, that is the only thing they want to derive. Those are the idiots that called you. Ogechi is a criminal. Ogechi is a scammer. Ogechi is Ogechi is a killed Mr. Obi. Ogechi murder their mother. Ogechi will come. Those are the set of people that we are consoling you. Those are the idiots that were busy consoling you yesterday. Now listen, let me show you what will shock you. Are you ready? Let's go. Kaigan, Kamishunu, those that you're giving my father's picture to warn me. Those are the character Genahane portray. Jpac, are you not in the group where they are sharing nude? Are you not their member? Then why did you give them my father's? Because I'm fighting them to stop sharing our women nude. Right? And you think they will come and shut me up. Una just they learn. Wait. Guys, share this video. Their life. Now wait. Chere? Welcome to the movie. Na shiano. Obode peri opechirigo. Awumo na kama. Aruga pushe. Unuga pushi use our women nude to make money. Ogo to Vietnam, you need to go and get a job. All of you useless men has to go to get a job. Our women nude is not a marketer. It's not a business. It's not a business. It has to stop. So if you like it, join Jpac. If Jpac like it, join My mission is to expose all of you in the saga. Look at them. Hey, I get me Newi Amana. Newi, we must know. Okay, in a fight, you want your Newi. Are you from Newi? You want your Newi? You don't tell them the reason why you're fighting me, that I said you should stop selling women nude. You did tell them that Ashimge, the so-called idiot that called you an intelligent criminal. He is the person who in captive. At least I have to go to that group showing thing. Leave me alone. One on Italy, one on Canada, one on US. Ya hide your me sex camera video. Look at the Jpac associations. Ya capture one. He a very dark man in 80. Na hand of somewhere. Ya hide your make camera. Download to nude these women. Ya she have be gonna go back. When those women, as I'm talking to you, those women cannot talk piam. Those are the women literally ban when who nobody Igbo. Now, time to pay the money he borrowed them back. The man is making it. The man has if he's really fighting for injustice, intelligent criminal, show your face. Can people man out with all these single women? If you deceive for again with all ransom, Ghana hide. Why are you not showing your face? Why are you not showing your face? Idiots. Chere, boss, chere no. Ogu kam no. Kam go no nde pro Jpac yesterday. I will show you them one after another. What the reason why they joined Jpac? Because Hashem ha pushi ba kona. Pushi roto mo wine. Pushi jito man wine under captivity. And I will tell Ogechi Okeke. Ogechi commit crime. Ogechi Okeke land ebu. Ogechi Okeke land newi. Ogechi le. Ogechi ganwe. Ogechi le mo wine abuse. And I torment number one. Tell them why you guys are crying. Chere ndala doji akpa elu ozu, bunch of idiots. Chere ndepụtara tell them ihe wu problem unu akọzila mpa ga ejikwara repo ya mmanye repo ya ana akọ eri just to damage me na lie truth facts evidence kam jala unu niile n'iyi. Ogechi lọta Nigeria, we go peme you. Ogechi, you're coming back. Lọtana, you can't come back. You lọta, you ga-egbu gị. You lọta, you ga-egbu gị. Just the guys, chere. Apam evidence. Somebody kwuo na Ogechi bụ evidence. Ebum ya. Odondond. Odokondoko. Odo here. Ta. Ọmụ akaba na amụrụ ọkpọ. You better grow up, honey. Chere, mapa facial no. How useless these people are. The group ha likiri, they are all screaming, crying. Ogechi ebolo. Ogechi ebolo. Because Ogechi bịabịa show no kwụsịarụ. Stop using our women as a nude, as a product of nude material. Ana akoyeri. Ogechi buru unu, Ogechi ata unu. Time machine on us, so you guys are hopeless and useless. Unu ga-akwụsị ike ọtọ ụmụ nwaanyị ji na eme ka ego. It has to stop. Ndala. And the Jpac on Dotugi. Maybe you're even their member. Do I know? Because I see no reason why you should associate with Indene Kotom one. How were your colors? How were your colors? Lepa? Aponya Yigiwan Yaga Lualuna. Guys, now share no programmer. Maka, you know why I'm just showing a share programmer? In case give one of these pictures. In case one nigga lawyer, Cholaya, and you want to own your koto. No, na Malaysia, from Malaysia deport where ya Ghana Vietnam. Now that intelligent color code, lay hundeni no here. Yeah, one of them. Yeah, one of the ladies, nana group koto. Oh, one MP say, get you what? Hello? Happen become. Lekwaya. They created a group where they are sharing their own nudes. Yeah, with the face. Now, their groups sharing their private parts. Stop selling our women. Ask them, why are they creating a group? The so-called men will be paying them 30,000 to share their own nudes, while they will collect nothing. What is their problem between Ogechi? Can you hear with the point of contention? Why are they fighting Ogechi? Get the comment. Because none of them want to come and stand tall. Yeah, with the associate, Jpac and associate. And then they got look at in a group. The choir and a paporia or hair will get you want to watch. And the reason why they will get. Share the program, click love and like. Chineke walk no con. The choir on a casually be a comment here. Naya share goya. Follow. Pussy is ready. Auto is ready. Ammo is ready. It's gonna be so. Anna Oya. Toto challenge. Toto challenge. I am more than get you haro. Because they have to formulate one story. How formulate? I get you I get you a criminal. I get you scammed in the Igbo. I get you have destroyed in the Igbo. I'm actually wanted the brainless ones. Yeah, but I get you now. So that should be the most important questions. That should be the most important. That is the reason. This is the kind of calibers that called him yesterday to console him. Those are the people that called. And they shall get Agebugi. Terenu. One of the girls. Let me read what she wrote in that group. I don't want to talk because the last time I post to my auto and my Anna, someone inside here take the picture, go post another group. You know, say my man is there for that group. God was asking me, was asking where did I post my Anna and Dopo. I said nowhere, but he don't send the picture to me. Talking to English, or she talking to you now. We are not together again. Till today, he has not picked my call. I go house and he send me out. Start calling me names. My friend till today, I never get myself. Imagine just showing share video because unu ga hu onye unu ma here. Agame budi too much. So you will not marry Ashawo or somewhere near here. You will not marry. A friend banana the group koprio onyo send the ala fiancé abalaga. Charge bakonya galo wonya shawo. This is it. Now na the group. So on abazi hana, my friend it today. I never get myself because it was everything to me. So please, we should be very careful of people we add in this group. Lekwa their ringleader, the master of all unine, lekwa ya here. Oh yeah, with the idiot ana wo Jimo Koto. Oh yeah, with the founder, the creator, the builder, and the foundation. Oh yeah, Ogechi. Oh yeah, na about my daddy war. Oh yeah, Jpac bunye my daddy. Ya na about ya war. She ya gini na eme ya kwa. Gini na eti ya kwa. Oh, he gonna do ya because Ogechi, you have at the age of 60 years, you're not married. At the age of 60 years, you look one, all because of different people in our collect from women. Oh, he let tigapa. No get you happen no one. It is like at your 60 years in on a Vietnam, nothing to write home. When you were deported in Malaysia, you did not achieve kobo. Ebakala. Now you continue. Look at the voice record I played. You only have to remember December. You want to go? This man, Bara your so. Oh, we are with the founder of Lepa Eboshege. Ena is allowed. On abana social media. They recruit girls. And that's the reason why I'm just not look with that. Our young they recruit, they fall into victim and fall walla. No new person again that fall into victim again. No new soul. The way my chat ebona shege era is allowed. Ebia na agenye ego, ana agenye ego. Here oshitoto day. Okay, when ebona day. Me ko she recruit women. Ya be chat with you. You want to ya be chat with you. I'm a shigi one get the one in our labeke. And I will give an Igbo. Cynthia Madi, Ebono, I get the one at the Uwailankaya. Yeah, we are 30,000. I go show you the person. Chere? The one, you know, the group now, baggy hand. You want to go? Now, this particular woman, Anna Ugebe Najama, the require all pictures in the group. The require here, Cynthia Amadi. Only question we grandmother at this age is in the group. About it out there 30,000. I hear me more on a phone because when you're captive. Leia, Cynthia Amadi, guys, click love and like him and hang on report to this video. Leia, Cynthia Amadi. I can't know their bows. Yeah, their bows. The men, our men, our boss. It will 30,000. Click love and like. And I report them. This is what our mothers are doing. That were on ne. Haja chum tika. Jo hagene haja churu Ogechi. Namma pruha a shower prostitution hanaba. Namshi akusharo. Saga people that think that they will stop. Or my brother now be one of these prostitutes. One of these shower. There is a reason. Joe Hakene with their problem. That should be your question. Ogechi Okeke. Don't be deceived by lies. Draw questions with a brain. Ask questions. Go deeper. Because in a woman, news all in on Gabru. Ask deeper. Can you say Ogechi? Can you free to Ogechi problem? What do you guys do? I'm a goshi gebe your grandmother with la kukumba. Now the group ne guni kea. Here we are Jpac joining. Don't be surprised you didn't get puti Jpac. Don't be surprised because I shower on me Triana club. Jpac, I'm coming for you. Can you go there analyzing here and a pony? Next programming gaputa. Uwagame Mokochi. Guys, watch. Yem jabia with evidence. And I'm about with all these Jacokumbu stories. Joa hagini reseregi no Ogechi. Omwanyanya. You na home kwake panu again. And when kwake panu, all of them are shower. In in case of tomorrow. Joe had to question what is the problem between you and Ogechi. Can you not Ogechi tika? Leno asa, because you want mana. Akwage who this guy na got your wife material. Akwage who one na asa. Jeremy J born of fool. Wait, let me go to her fool here. Chere. Ashimo no. They got the name of group, Executive Garden. Or the name of group na WhatsApp. They got the name of group na WhatsApp, Executive Garden. They ban allow our women into Biashia water, auto, The choir. Don't be surprised that Jpac is among them. Don't be surprised that because when you associate with this group of people, that is what you do. Don't be surprised that Jpac is their own part of the game. The choir, Executive Garden. The choir here. Jpac hano na sample lui buha. Awi wemuna ha. Mole huna na show Ogechi. Ogechi ebola Ogechi. Ogechi when negoriri. Ogechi shokwo shune ba puna. Ogechi look at Nigeria go agame pemege. Ogechi agame pemege Igbo land Igbo. Eburu ndi Igbo while I'm serving our women to stop giving up her to cheap articles that cannot shouldn't watch chorono. When to go and look for job. That all the one ya we here na job ego. Coming online with the false information cannot help you. Anom gidima. Monunu ge kwechiri. Eshoku must be hard. People gonna know why you guys are so bitter. They both get you know. Eri humju, eri humedu. I'm sure no kosheba akuna. That is my crime. That is my crime. Okay? This is their main professional akuna that called yesterday. Like, oh, yawa with the mother of a shower. Oh, but then akuna na Malaysia. I can play the divorce note to ya. Bleacher. That's her. That is her. And I'm not just a cap. Age me evidence. Just me will. Anamabia. Wait. Ejoku bondo. When them kuele chomamo. But onu ga kushi jo tomu wanya nye me caricature. That is my goal. And it must show. It must stop. Ane betriana. When they metre atret Ogechi abe bugi. Ogechi lota Nigeria agabe bugi. Na lie. Look at. Ihawu, the ringleader too. Adimi nike Imo State. Le kwa kwe ya na galo ya na onwa anya mara mma. Ehu kwala ya balaga opu ya juru everywhere na the group. Oya with the professional le kwa ya. You see am? Kwe ya na she's a fine girl, right? All the more lolo. Ipu ya na everywhere. Orally we are 30,000. Ipu ya no everywhere. Wait. I just from now. That's something I couldn't want to get. The program got too long. Because in facts, I didn't just come out. They their main ringleader. Okoto, Ozoto Mwine. Oji, one Joto Mwine egwu. Yawanagi, Yemje Shigi, in case of getting here tomorrow, was share about the Mwagaka. Everything all oh, hobby. Happy yana Ogechi, but in the Navy, or the bone of contention. Lie. Oh, bone of contention, one shim. Hey, kids, look, one yan. Oh, Ogechi, but in the Navy, now like Johan here we were. What is their business, na Navy people? And when he was around, I be an age camouflage. ke ihe na-eti una ke ihe na-eme una akwa dekwa ebe ka ahụ kpọzi nke ahụ na-asị blicha dekwa ikpu ya ebe ọ na-asendela ụmụ nwoke you want to go so ma eji achọ m one thing na m na-alụ ha shi kwụsị na arụ our women are sacred Jana, ebu m information. Chana, lekwa the group. Ebu m information. This is the bone of contention. Anything you na akpọ Ogechi aha. Weta Ogechi egbo weta Ogechi because na shim ha. Stop it. No, 30,000 naira, not $300. That is why this guy is a log our women. Ma chana me shinu ke ga shock oge. I go show you the one who go choke you. Lekwa a full grown ass woman akpọrọ Cynthia Amade nwanyị gbara ajị n'ọnụ still bụ stupid na brain lekwa agadi gị nkọ ha a fat envelope agadi nwanyị bịara obodo oyibo na nka diabetes ekwe ya ga ije a woman that destroyed her identity na achịgị na ege nwanyị rere ikpu ya nwa ọla shinga ahụ pụta ọbanyara uru. Any child that will come out from that is condemned from birth. You are giving your children identity that will never depart from them. Now you understand the cocoa. This is the game here. Overloaded property, you cannot even use 911 to move. Where we are Garake called Boguma. Where we are at the age of Guinea. I get you got color. I get your end has come. I just back the gate. Your end gonna do ya. End dog get you now beginning problem. Now I'm shiggy. Why the thousand got bohiro? I had to share with Ogechi Okeke. With Ogechi Okeke, I'm balling Ogechi. We will pay you. We will pay you. That is the problem. Ogechi scammed our people. It's on your ochi. And when I made all these things to find to tarnish me. I can make evidence. Now, do you know? At the age of grandmother, I want to put a lip with a jar. Jairo, get there. I had to show what Ogechi is a bad person. Give me Ogechi now, so I get Boyoshi. We will damage her image, so people will be scared of her. We will destroy her. They will damage her image. We will have to strategize. We come in group. You can't fight this woman alone. She is terrible. Our problem, Muna. That's the problem, Muna. That is the game. The group, they are the same. Because I believe when you can make page fight Ogechi, they believe. When you can make page fight Ogechi, you believe. When you can make so we will do it like that. So people will believe in. How many evidence? You go with facts. And my God with evidence. Chelebele, the quoi? Oge buso chat again. The quoi the ring leader. Oge buso chat again. On a technology. Precision technology on an chat again. We are doing Igbo challenge. We are doing Toto challenge. You will gain. You will gain. I heard Atumo. I heard Quatumo. I heard Quabanamu war. I heard Atumo. We talk at your joy. Okay, really negiko. Really, in one cage, a bole. Oh, can they with a brainy shot? The way. Igbo challenge. These styles of people are not on this guru group. Oh, the man in 60-something years refused to go and marry. I didn't make an who designer of Igbo. Get who Louis Vuitton. Get who Abba made. Get who Crayfish made. Get who Ojo Legba made. Get who different type of Igbo. Another Igbo Jalungai. Click love and like. They are reporting my page. Click love and like. Click love and like. They're reporting it. And now be just settle down. Get home Mama Nkechi made. Get home VIP made. Get home Crayfish made. Who Granot made. And now be Jalwan. Ngibu baraki kasa. And when who the shape of Ibu. Ma ho na this blue. Na this place. And when who the shape of Ibu. Ma ho there. I she will tell you. Now lie. You not go stop him. Una go stop am. Lekwa ya. Lekwa agadi nwanyị werele ikpu ya. Share to word. Lekwa ya. Agadi nwanyị gbara ahụ ọnụ. The worst thing na o nwere BS. Give ya nga o nwere BS na ahụ ọnụ. Geche na ọbara. Lekwa gbachara m ahụ ọnụ. Lekwa this age ka nwanyị were. This grandmother dying age. Ka a woman rere ọkụ ya 30,000. Look at her. Lekwa ya here. Lekwa ya. Oh ya the woman rere ikpu ya 30,000. Cynthia Amadi Ugebenaja Amadi. Eche magi ba ahụ ọnụ ị ga-enwetu brain. Ama na dị ahụ ọnụ ịgbara is just na agba gị weta ikpugire ya na atụ gị weta ikpugire ree yo ikpu at this age. Dishemba nkịtị. If this anụ ọhịa can be able to manipulated, what about ụmụaka toge? That is why sharing my program is very important. Awareness is what I will keep creating. Awareness is what I will keep creating. The truth is what I will keep speaking. You may not like me, but the fact is that Ogechi will let the world hear her voice. Aruga kushe. All this in that barakiti, they are all there with Ipuhare. Nka number one, ball ya call. She will call to tell you. Ogechi, oh wanyaja, Osroshi, get an Ogechi, and I'm shigi pushiri bugi. That agadi nwanya na ha agba akwụna na the old age. Ihe akwụna na-eme ha ka wanka ha retire. Your own, you step into old age na ekpezi ikpu gị awarụ mmiri. Ashim agadi nwanya na agba akwụna. Akwa mgbe ashawo kamara nka ya retire. Kewu o megara old na continue. Iwe mebe ha niile no. Gị agbaka one group onye ka aka lere. Ị ga-ebe you're the last end the time. Your near don't come. Your end is now. I get to end. The lifespan of a criminal is 10 years. I have passed over 10 years. I must even wait the thing to get ended. Are we here? My problem. One get the one about charge you on. Ga retire na kuna. Ya continue. And abakuna nanka. Anabakuna nanka. Ndesha woto Ogechi bo wela mmadu atala mmadu Ogechi ga we wela mmadu awu crime o. That is the crime in committee. Every day when I call, she will be the first person to call, because when he ya nji enwere bemji ya pa porchiri ya kitanya abazi ton Ogechi na ekata wan Ogechi and make out mo unu ya bi. How did that manage to get it unu mo unu ya bi? Oh, this summer who gets it, who gets sand. How did that manage to get it? How they can get Ogechi Okeke? How? Mona go and you messy Panama one. This is the question. How did Ogechi get Otoge? How did your auto enter this woman's hand? Each Otoge made lesson for others to learn, and we must continue to use it as a lesson. You want to go? So, I am just starting. The tunnel got the too hot to contell on. One of people you were here we won. Una husila every little opportunity. Una baba ni me say, Ogechi, you are finished now. You are done now. This is your end. No. Ogechi, I will bridge you. Nkuba, ị ga alo ya, ịlọkwa ya. Mama na ndị Nnewi jeme. Ndị Nnewi, una gbara nkịtị. Hey! Gwanu ndị Nnewi here with the bone of contention. Gwanu ndị Nnewi here we won. Gwanu ihe mere unu ji achụ nwa ha tiketika ka igbuo ha na nwa ha shi unu kwụsị arụ. Na nwa Nnewi na anya ya do not behold atrocity. That is it oh. Ohe dashi any opportunity a ga-egbu Ogechi. We ga kwem Ogechi. We ga kill am. Ogechi eme alụ. Ọ ha. E nwere ndị ga-egbu ha. Ha ga hụrụ ha niile ikpu ha. Dere ikpu here. Da hụrụ ha niile were ikpu ha. Jala ya to the world. Down honey na eripu. Ogechi shekwushi na ire ọtọ unu. Ha gada. A ga-egbu Ogechi. We will finish again. Oh, God. Ebuole yo. Ngubulaka. Ị ga-alọ ya. Ime ga-alọ. Alụ dị n'ime. Arụ mmere wu gịnị. Na agadi nwaanyị ekwesịghị iwere ikpu ya na-agba okpose. And okpose gị okpose only 30,000 naira. Cynthia Amadi emere gị eme. Gaa chọrọ n'ọrụ. Go and look for a job. Onye ọla n'obodo oyibo na hustle. Igbo men are meant to hustle. They are not meant to be useless. They are meant to hustle. They are meant to work hard and put food on their table. They are not meant to be useless and infidel. No. They are meant to hustle and be responsible. No.